Hello guys, this is Garth Holman from teachersfortomorrow.net, and this is the Engaging Students in a Remote Classroom series. Today's tutorial, we're going to focus on a couple of video things, so I'm just going to go to the doc this time, and we're going to talk about your YouTube channel. Most of you have probably used YouTube before. If you're a Google School, you already have a Gmail or a YouTube channel, so we want to kind of know how to get that. The next tutorial, I'll talk about making playlists and uploading videos to a YouTube player. So we try to get you to start by going to your Gmail every time. Your Gmail has your waffle, and the waffle is where everything's kind of found at. So you can see I have a YouTube, so I can go here to do it. Now you can just Google YouTube and you'll see the same thing. I just want that common theme of going to your Gmail to find things so you remember where to find a lot of these programs we're mentioning in the tutorial. As soon as you get on, most of you will have an icon or something up in this corner. That is the logo for Teachers for Tomorrow, so it's there. I know I'm in that account. When you click that, it's going to show you your channel. When you go to your channel, you will probably have to do some things at this point. It'll ask you to build the channel. You'll have to go through the commands YouTube asks if you've never done anything on your YouTube channel. Once you get in, you'll notice right here you have this customization. So you can customize your channel and make it look how you want. That's like your theme at the top, what image are you going to put in, that kind of stuff. Generally, this is how you get to your YouTube channel. Any playlist you create will show up and you'll learn how to do that. Videos are all the videos you've uploaded. So they're all listed in a way so you can see them. Your playlist shows only the things that you've created playlists for. You have channels. Your channel is where you can feature like up-to-date, or if you're doing a live broadcast, it can be on there. You got any discussions you've done, and then an about page where you can talk about whatever you would like to do. So that's really how you get here. You're used to seeing this page, the home page, just takes you to YouTube. Just remember that your channel is here, right? Go to your channel, and that'll update to your account where you can customize and build. Again, on this first one, you're probably going to have to take probably 2 minutes or so to actually build the channel. They'll just ask you a series of questions and you respond. That's it for this quick tutorial. We'll come back with playlists and uploading a video.